Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply log into your YouTube account. So firstly we need to go to Google and then search for gmail.com. So after we search for gmail.com and then we search for gmail.com, your Google account, we need to sign in your Google account for login to YouTube. So firstly you go to Google account and then sign in. So after this you will be logged into YouTube, guys. So this is how you simply log into your YouTube account. So guys, after you log into your YouTube account, so we logged in through Gmail. So as you see, our Gmail has been loaded, and then we open a new tab and then open for YouTube. So after you open YouTube, we need to go to YouTube. So we search for YouTube. So as you see in the left right hand corner, there is my channel logo and showing the logged in icon. Okay, so guys, this is how you simply log into your YouTube account. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Technical YT and then make sure to watch the full video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let's wait for the next video. Bye.